You have received your ResMed AirSense 10 CPAP machine in this travel bag. Unzip and open the bag. As you can see, there are different sections for the various components of your CPAP machine. There is the ResMed CPAP machine. Next to it, a humidifier chamber. If you unzip the back section, you will find the tubing. At the front, there is the power supply unit, your CPAP mask, and spare filters. Finally, in the pockets at the top, there are additional leaflets and information about your CPAP machine.